Hey there, quilty friends. Are you ready to dive into the colorful world of ice dyeing? I'm Kim Olson, and I'm here to guide you through this fun and magical process with my beginning ice dyeing class. Ice dyeing is a one-of-a-kind technique that transforms plain fabric into stunning, colorful works of art. The magic happens as ice melts over powdered dye, creating organic patterns and vibrant blends you simply can't achieve with other methods. In this class, I'll teach you everything you need to know to create your first ice-dyed masterpiece. From selecting the right supplies and preparing your fabric to applying the dye and finishing your piece, I've got you covered. You'll learn step-by-step techniques for preparing your workspace, creating beautiful designs, and ensuring your colors stay bright and permanent. Whether you're making quilt fabric, garments, or decorative pieces, this class will inspire your creativity. This class is perfect for beginners. You don't need any prior experience, just a love for color and a willingness to try something new. By the end of this class, you'll have the skills and confidence to create your own stunning ice-dyed fabrics. Ice dyeing is not only fun and relaxing, but it's also a fantastic way to personalize your quilting projects. Imagine using your own hand-dyed fabric for a quilt back, piecing a quilt top, or a show-stopping bag or garment. So what are you waiting for? Join me for my beginning ice dyeing class and discover the joy of transforming fabric with ice and color. You'll find everything you need to get started, plus plenty of tips and tricks to make your creation uniquely yours. Sign up today at quiltaholicsanonymous.com and let's start your ice dyeing adventure together. I can't wait to see what you create.